My name's Dustin of Dustin Van Fleet Design, and you're watching Hometalk. Our first step is going to be to use this awesome Fusion Ultra Grip. It's perfect for shiny, slick surfaces like this tray. It's also got an awesome spout top where you can just drip some on and then begin applying. We're going to have to pat it in because there's so many grooves and lines on this bottom here. And we're going to paint the outside of the tray. We're not going to paint the inside of the tray. We're going to paint the outside of the tray, and I'll show you why, because it's going to give us an awesome look of an actual ceramic tray. So we just want a little bit of this on here. Now that we've let our Ultra Grip dry for an hour or so, we're ready for the next step, in which we're going to be using Fusion Mineral Paints Paisley. It's a brand new color that they've just created. Get it in here, and remember, we're going to have to pat this on because there's such a detailed bottom here. And if you have these little hairs come off, don't worry, it's gonna happen when you use 50-cent chip brushes. But that's all that you need for this project, and it will come out looking perfect. Just gonna come through and get this little groove all the way across right here. Take long strokes. Make sure we get it in on the first coat. And all the little nooks and crannies that we can. And we're just finishing up drying our second coat of Fusion's Paisley. Looks awesome on this end, but look how cool it looks on this end. It makes it look like a ceramic dish. Super cool. And for the next step, we've let both of our coats of paint dry. We're gonna flip our tray over, and we're going to begin using these IOD lemon drop transfers. So we're going to pull off the backing and begin to stick it down. Many times on a very slick surface like this, you won't even need your rubbing instrument. Many times you can just do it with your finger like I am when it's something this slick and slippery. Now remember guys, you don't want to push too hard because you don't want to rip your, you don't want to crack your tray. Here, it is plastic. Even though it doesn't look like it's plastic, it is. And see how we're not even having to use the transfer applicator, because the more I push down on this, the more chance we have to actually crack the tray before we finish it. So I've got it on here. It looks nice. We're gonna have another one that we're gonna use. You can use your fingernail on this one, like I said. Whenever it doesn't stick, don't panic. Just put it right back down and rub on it a little bit more. And we've now got our transfer on. Now we've let the bottom dry and we've added our transfer inside. We're gonna add some gilding wax in gold. Just around the edge, just to give it a final finished and polished look. And at this point in time, this doesn't really look like it costs $1 anymore. Now our gilding wax is on there and complete. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on how to create this awesome, unique catch-all tray for your keys and phones as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you guys. And remember, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.